Due to coronavirus, a lot of families have lost their breadwinners. What is breadwinner? Breadwinner is someone who earns money for his family. So editorial says that during coronavirus we saw that a lot of families have lost their breadwinners and they are in a serious need of money. That's why editorial says that it is time to give some money to these families. Families who lost breadwinners in COVID 19 need supportive policies and a safety net. So, we should adopt such type of policies which are in favor of the families who have lost their breadwinners in COVID 19. The center's stated position before the Supreme Court on paying a standard ex gratia. Ex gratia means an amount of money which is paid as a help. Compensation means you can say that compensation means to give something for the loss of something or to provide money for the loss of something to families of those who died of COVID 19 shows poor appreciation of the fallout. Fallout means negative result. Unprecedented means something that has never happened before. Disaster means calamity. So what editorial says, when the Supreme Court asked questions regarding COVID-19 from the central government, then the central government told the Supreme Court about paying ex gratia, about paying money as a compensation to families of those who died of COVID 19. So, editorial says the center's response to the Supreme Court shows that the center didn't understand the situation seriously. Center didn't understand the fallout of unprecedented disaster, that the coronavirus was unprecedented. Due to due to coronavirus, a lot of families are in dire need of money, and this fact the center couldn't understand. After initially asserting, when you assert something means you say something strongly. After initially, in the beginning, after initially asserting that such payments were beyond the government's fiscal affordability. Affordability means if you can afford something, है ना? If you can provide money for something, then you can afford that thing. Fiscal relating to money. So initially the central government said that it is beyond government's capacity to help the people with cash transfer. Although, however, there is a provision, there is a rule in the Disaster Management Act for compensation. Editorial says that according to the Disaster Management Act, compensation should be given to the people affected, and externalizing the pandemic as a global ongoing means something that is in a continuous mode. So what editorial says, and externalizing, to externalize something. Externalize means express difficult thoughts openly, express difficult feelings openly, and the central government you can say that expressed his thoughts, expressed its thoughts openly, and said that this pandemic means a widespread disease. Here we are talking about coronavirus, and the government said that it is a global event. The Home Ministry has now ever means to say that something is certainly true, that the issue was the manner in which funds were to be put to use. So initially the government said that it is beyond the capacity of government to provide money to the people affected due to coronavirus. But later the Home Ministry said that we were confused about the ways, we were confused about the manner, that how to use the money, how to use the fund. Clearly lack of resources would be a legless argument. Legless, when what is the meaning of legless is when you are extremely drunk. So you can say that the argument that has been given by the central government seems in a extremely drunk condition. Legless argument means your argument is like, you can say that your argument seems like you are in completely drunk state. So lack of resources would be a legless argument when the center is pursuing expensive, expensive means costly, redevelopment project such as the Central Vista. So at present the central government is working on the Central Vista project. What is the Central Vista project? In this project the central government has proposed that it wants to redevelop the parliament building and the associated government buildings. So editorial says in a sarcastic tone that the government has money for Central Vista, but the government do not have money for the people who have been affected by the coronavirus. That's why editorial says that if government says that we do not have enough resources to help the people who have been affected by the coronavirus, then this argument we cannot accept, because the government is working on Central Vista, which is the project that will take or that will consume thousands of crores of rupees. What the government says it wants to do is to deploy means to use something, funds in healthcare, enhance social protection and support economic recovery of affected communities. The government has said that we want to utilize money to increase healthcare, enhance means to increase social protection and to support economic recovery. That the government has said that you can say that many fields of economic activity are in a troubled condition, and the government has said that we want to provide help to these sectors rather than give a one-time compensation. Compensation means to give money for the loss of something. Payment of rupees 4 lakh or notified ex gratia. Sought, seek means to desire something. Seek, second form is sought and third form is also sought by the petitioner. So some petitioner, some persons who want rupees 4 lakh for their family, but the government has denied to give rupees 4 lakh for our family. Instead the government has said that we want to improve our healthcare system, we want to spend money on social protection, and we want to spend money on economic recovery of affected people. There is nothing wrong in keeping the focus on provision of essential supplies. Editorial says that okay, if the government says that it wants to improve the health structure of country, then it's perfectly okay. You should give your full attention to these works. And additional health infrastructure, if you want to increase your health infrastructure, then it is perfectly okay. In fact, really, the second view peak means the highest level of something, was made considerably worse by poor health infrastructure. Editorial says that if we had a robust health infrastructure, if we had a robust health infrastructure, then we could have avoided the serious impact of second wave. Okay, so considerably means significantly. So editorial said that our health infrastructure was not strong enough. If had our health infrastructure was strong, then we would have avoided the second wave. And low public expenditure means when you spend money, and a policy failure recorded by the economic survey, which called for higher public spending of 2.5% to 3% of GDP on health. So during the second wave of coronavirus, we realized that our health infrastructure is very weak and we need to spend money on health infrastructure. we need to, and economic survey also suggested that we need such type of policies, we need such type of policies. Which type of policies? In our policies, 2.5 to 3% of GDP should be invested on health. But lending a helping hand, lend a helping hand means to provide support to families now impoverished. Impoverished means if you are impoverished means you are in a very poor condition, should also be a priority. Editorial says that okay, everything is okay, we should improve our health infrastructure, है ना, we should spend money on universal health, but editorial says that it is also should be our priority that those who are in a very poor condition should be helped with money. The center, after tying itself in knot, if you tie yourself in knot, it means you become worried because you are in a difficult situation, है ना. So the central government has become worried, it thinks that it is in a troubled condition on free vaccines, should now spell out means to say something. It's roadmap means what is your plan for future for a universal public health system. So editorial says that the center should say clearly what is its plan for future public health system. The annual budget included a raft of scheme. Raft means a lot of, है ना, raft means a lot of. Under COVID-19 initiative means when you begin something, when you start something, and claimed credit for Atmanirbhar Bharat package. So in the annual budget the government has announced a lot of schemes under COVID-19, है ना, and editorial says that the government has also made claim for Atmanirbhar Bharat package, which together with the RBI's ameliorative steps, when you ameliorate something means you improve that thing. To ameliorate something means to improve something, है ना, and together with RBI's ameliorative steps. So RBI has also taken some steps to ameliorate or to improve our economic condition. Officially amounted to 13% of GDP. So in RBI's policy, amount to means equal to, है ना, you can say that RBI has announced some policies and RBI is ready to spend the 13% of GDP for our economic recovery. But the above the line relief in terms of healthcare and social protection, including cash transfer. So editorial says that a lot of steps has been taken by RBI, but if we talk about but the above the line relief in terms of healthcare and social protection, including cash transfers, are a small share of other spending such as credit provision to several sectors. So RBI has made so many rules, है ना, so many provisions for many sectors, है ना. If any sector is in economic trouble, then the RBI has given economic help to that sector. But as far as we consider cash transfer, है ना, so in this field RBI has given little money, or you can say that a little money as per some estimates, है ना. The IMF, International Monetary Fund, analysis of policy responses says that in the beginning of the pandemic, food, fuel and cash transfers to lower income households came to 1.2% of GDP, है ना. IMF analysis of policy responses says that, so you can say that an analysis has been done by the IMF, and IMF saw that the money during the initial phase of pandemic, the money which was spent on you can say that food, fuel and cash transfers to lower income people was almost equal to 1.2% of GDP. It means it was very low. With the second wave marked by many deaths and nationwide closure. Nationwide closure means nationwide shutdown, a lockdown. So during the second wave of coronavirus, we saw so many deaths and time to time lockdowns. A review of direct benefits. Direct benefit means when you directly transfer cash into the accounts of people. A review of direct benefits is urgently called for. So editorial says that we should urgently, it is urgently needed. What is needed urgently? It is urgently needed that we should review the direct benefits. Direct benefits. In court, the Home Ministry has said, in the Supreme Court, the Home Ministry has said that to confine something means to limit something. Confining solutions to compensation. Compensation, you know, that to provide something for the loss of something. Compensation would be that confining solutions to compensation would be narrow. It is no one's case. In court, the Home Ministry has said that confining solutions to compensation would be narrow. So the Home Ministry replied to the Supreme Court that if we limit the solutions of coronavirus pandemic to compensation, then it will be, you can say that it will be a small approach. It is no one's case that large direct cash benefits are the only good intervention. Intervention means interference. Editorial says that it is no one's case. It is very obvious that it is very obvious that you can say that on a large scale, we need direct cash benefits. It should be done. It is very urgent. Families who have lost breadwinners need help while orphaned children need support. Orphan means orphan child is a parentless child. Breadwinner who is earning money for the family. So families who have lost breadwinners need help while orphan children need support. So you can say that the children who have become orphaned due to coronavirus, they urgently need support from the government, and the families who have lost breadwinners also need direct cash support. It also doesn't help that India's pension system is weakening. Everybody knows that at present our pension system is getting weaker day by day. Bank deposits have low yield. Yield means return. If you deposit your money in your bank account, then you will get minimum interest. And official policy expects people to essentially fend for themselves. To fend for what? If you fend yourself, means you are taking care of yourself. You are taking care of your food yourself. So editorial says that at present our policy, at present the government's policy expect people that they should provide food and shelter for themselves. The center should not hesitate. If you are in a hesitation, then you are in a doubt. The center should not hesitate to review its tax basket, to rely more on. To rely on means to depend on the wealthiest, to compensate those who have been hit the hardest. The center should not hesitate. So editorial says that without any doubt, the center should review its tax policies, and center should apply more tax on the wealthy people, and to compensate means to give money to the people who are in a serious need, those who have been hit the hardest. Hit the hardest means the people who have been affected seriously by the coronavirus should be helped with cash by the government, and the money through which we will help the poor people, where from where this money will come. So editorial says that we should apply tax on the wealthiest. Now that is the way.